Oh, sige
O
na.
siya na, babay na.
Hi, Nat. Hi.
Hello.
Good evening.
Uh,
How are you today?
I'm okay.
Are you happy today?
Yes,
Wow. So can you tell me what did you do today? It's Monday.
I play with my friend.
Wow, you played with your friends. What play did you play, baby? What game did you play?
I play football with my friend.
Wow, football. Very nice. How about for dinner? Did you eat your dinner?
I eat egg,
I ate
egg
dinner.
dinner.
Okay, so before we start our lesson, are you ready? Nat, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, before we start our lesson, baby, I want to play you a sing for kids. Hello song. Are you ready?
yes.
Okay, let me share my screen. Let's sing together.
Every day, I go to school. I meet my friends, and we all say, hello, hello, how are you? I'm good, I'm great. How about you? Hello, hello, how are you? I'm good, I'm great. How about you? La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, every day, I go and play. I meet new friends, and we all say, hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you wanna play? Hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you wanna play? La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Hey, la 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 la.
Okay.
Monster Math.
Okay, let's start our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me open my, hold on. Let me open the lesson. So we're done with the test. Yay! Good job for the test, Koa, or not. Now let's try to have lesson unit 5. Okay, can you see it?
Yes. Fantastic.
Okay. Can you see it now? Okay. Wow! Can you read the title of our lesson for today?
The woman in the red dress.
Wow, very good. The woman in the red dress. Say it again.
The woman in the dress.
The red dress.
Red dress.
Red dress. Okay, what can you see in the picture?
I see trouser.
Yes, trouser. Next.
Check it.
Let's find out. What are those? Number one is trouser.
Number
Say it
two.
again, baby.
Yeah.
Trousers.
Trouser.
Next is scarf.
Yes.
Scarf.
Wow.
Coat.
Wow.
Coat.
Coat.
Sweater. So baby, can you read them all again? Trouser.
Coat.
Sweater.
Sweater.
Yeah. Okay, next. Okay, baby. Let's have. Can you circle it?
Yes.
Go. So number one is scarf. Number two, what's this?
That.
Okay, can you find it? Hat. Okay, check it. Where is that's number 5. That's correct.
Hat.
Okay. So this is can you check the hat? Number 5.
Hat.
Yes, very good. Check it, baby.
Check it.
Okay. Like this, baby. Don't write the word. Okay, just check it. Next. Baby, you are already correct with the hat. Okay. How about the others?
The third.
Find it. I saw it.
Dress.
Where's the dress?
Oh, where the dress?
There's no dress, baby.
Where
You're
the dress?
talking, teacher. There's no dress there. It's not a dress.
I see. Relax.
I saw the sweater. I saw the trouser. Where is it? Yes! Okay, check the trouser. Oh, where's the trouser? There's no trouser, baby. There's no trouser. Oh, that's not a trouser, baby. No, that's not a trouser. No, that's sweater, baby. That's not a trouser.
Trouser.
No trousers, baby. There's no picture of trouser. Okay, circle the hat. That's correct. I saw shoes.
Shoes. I see.
I saw
Shoes.
I saw socks and shirt. I saw bag, sweater. I saw everything, baby.
Wait, bag. Yes, sweater. I see sweater.
Okay, circle it.
Sweater.
Yes, or check the sweater.
And I see. The weather.
Okay, don't write it. It's already, I understand it, baby.
Okay. Okay. And powder. Not powder. This. Not this. Back. Way back. Ah. Back.
Yay! Check the bag.
Back. 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 Here. Way back. A back.
How about the shoes?
Shoes. Ah. Shoe. Shoe. Shoe.
Yes! Next. Socks.
Sock. Sock. Ah. Sock.
Yay! So one more. Shirt. Shirt.
Shirt.
I saw it.
Ah. Shirt.
Yay! Very good. You completed. Very good, baby. Okay, good job. Okay, let's find out. Sweater. Say it again, baby.
Sweater.
Coat.
Coat.
Bag.
Bag.
Hat.
Hat.
Shoes.
Shoot.
Shirt.
Shirt.
Socks.
Sock.
Very good. Go. Okay, next. Who's wearing a shirt today? Are you wearing a shirt today, baby?
Yes.
Who's wearing a sweater today? Are you wearing a sweater today?
Yes.
Are you wearing socks?
Yes. I wish.
What color are your socks?
My sock is gray. A black.
Have you got a coat with you today?
A trouser.
What are your favorite clothes, baby?
My favorite clothes is hat.
Okay, let's try to read it, baby. A pair of, to, a pair
A
of,
pair of two dress for thousand jeans, sock, shoe, and glass.
okay, let me repeat it and you're going to repeat the reading, okay?
Okay.
A pair of, to describe trousers, jeans, socks, shoes, and glasses. Can you read it again?
Yes, the trousers, jeans, socks, shoes, and glasses.
Yay! Very good. Remember that you're going to use pair of when you're going to use trousers. Can I borrow your pair of trousers? Can I borrow your pair of jeans? A pair of socks and a pair of shoes and a pair of glasses. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read it? A pair means
A pair of shoes for trousers, jeans, socks, shoes, and glasses. A pair means two, and that English we think about wearing trousers and jeans on two legs, socks and shoes on two feet, and glasses on two eyes.
yay! So let me read it, okay? So a pair means two. Two. And that in
Two.
English, we think about wearing trousers and jeans
And
on
jeans.
two legs, socks and shoes on 2 feet, and glasses on 2 eyes. So remember, baby, pair means two, okay? Two.
Two. Two.
Yes. Okay, now let's find the words in the box for 5 more things you wear. Okay.
Three
Okay.
and
Find
take
this
off
weekend
five more
five more
plus
clues
the
in the
word
box
in the box
and
in
write an answer in each of
in
5 boxes.
and answer in it for the fly box.
Okay, hold on. Okay, let's try to read it first, baby, this one. Can you read it? A pair of trousers.
Pair of trousers, t-shirt, skirt, a pair of glasses, dress.
Okay, so you're going to fill in the blanks here. The words are located, the one that you read. So for example, in cold weather, you can wear this around your neck.
So whether you can read this round your neck.
Around your neck.
Round your neck.
So what do you call it? It's a
It's a
scarf.
It's skirt. This is like a very long jacket which you can wear on shirt
Outside.
outside.
So what do you call it?
Mm,
It's a coat, baby. Say it again. Coat.
coat.
Okay. So a coat is used. It's a very
You
long
can
jacket.
wear this on your feet. It's a shoe. Sock.
Yes. You can wear this on your feet inside your shoes. Yes, it's a sock. It socks.
People can put their things into this and can carry it.
Oh, what do you call that?
The
People can put their things into this and then carry it. What do you call it?
trouser.
What do you call the one that you need to have?
Weather.
No, baby. Where do you put your notebooks?
Notebook. Shelf.
Where do you put it?
Shelf.
Bag, baby, bag.
Bag. A
Okay,
pair of
number 5.
glasses.
A pair of these
A
can
pair
help
of
some
these
people.
can get some people to read a book. A glasses.
Pair of glasses. Very good. Okay. Say this word. Yes, I can swim. No, I can't fly.
Yes, I can swim. No, I can fly. Yes, I can swim. No, I can fly.
Pronounce the can as can. I can swim. I can fly.
Example. I can read. I can write. When with flowers can buy other bread. We say can. Moral wiki. We lost the show of its minutes later.
Okay. When we follow can by another verb, we say can more quickly. We lose the sound of its middle letter. Yes, I can swim. No, I can fly.
No, I can fly.
Pronounce the can't as can't. Okay, next. Write the words from A to B in the table. Top half, scarf. Bottom half, a pair of socks. Top and bottom
How
half. Oh,
important is a pair of top coat.
baby, where do I wear the scarf? In the top half, in the bottom half, or in the top and bottom half?
Sock.
Okay, top half, baby, the scarf. Where do we wear socks, baby? On the top or on the top and bottom half or on the bottom half?
Where do we wear socks? On the top of top half of our body.
Okay, on the bottom half of our body. Very good. Okay, these are the things that we can wear half, top half.
Glasses, hat, wear the t-shirt, t-shirt. A pair of socks, shoes, skirt, trouser, coat, dress.
Yes, very good. Listen and draw lines, baby. Can you get a piece of paper?
I don't have paper.
Okay, just listen, okay? The man with beard. Can you read it, baby?
The man with a beard.
Beard, baby, beard. The man with beard.
Beard. Beard. The boy with short brown hair. The boy who's wearing a pair of glasses. The tall girl whose roller skating.
Skating, baby.
Girl with the long red hair. The girl in the purple skirt and t-shirt. Where's the woman in the red dress was she? She is. She is.
What's she sitting on? Okay.
She is on a shed.
Okay, she's on
She
the shed.
is
Okay.
and friend John Peter.
Baby, I will play it, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
5F. The woman in the red dress. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Grandma. Look at this picture in my storybook.
Wow! Who are all these people?
Well, the boy who's wearing glasses is called Peter.
I like his white t-shirt.
Me too. He's really good at football.
Can you see the line? This is an example.
Excuse me.
Now you listen and draw lines. 1,
Okay. You put
Who's that girl? The one who's eating an ice cream?
The small girl on the green seat.
Yes. She looks happy.
Well, it's her birthday. Her name's Anne. She's 2 now.
2,
And there's John.
Which boy is that?
He's the one with 3 eyes and 4 feet.
What? Oh, do you mean the monster?
That's right. He looks like an alien.
Yes, he does.
3,
What about that man? The one with the beard. Who's he?
He's one of the boys' grandfathers. He's watching the game.
What's his name?
Tom. Everyone in the story likes him because he's very funny.
4,
2 girls are skating. Can you see them?
Where? Oh, yes. Are they sisters?
No. One of them is called Jane.
Which one?
The one wearing the hat. She's got long blonde hair. Look!
5,
And look at Lucy.
What's she doing?
She's riding her bike. She loves doing that.
Is she the girl in the pretty pink skirt?
Yes, Grandma. That's right.
Okay, baby, are you ready?
Yes.
Who is Anne?
And the girl with the ice cream.
Fred?
The girl with the ice cream.
Okay, how about Fred?
This is the girl ride the bike.
Okay, John.
The John, the boy playing with Peter. The John is a monster.
Lucy.
The Lucy is run.
Lucy is?
Run.
What is she wearing?
Wearing the yellow t-shirt.
Green t-shirt. There's no there.
The girl riding the bike.
Jane.
The Jess is the Bob playing with the Peter.
Who is Jane, baby?
The Jess, the Bob playing with the Peter.
And Tom?
The Tom, the boy, the grandpa.
Huh? It's not
Uh,
and not the ice cream. John is this. So Tom is the old man with beard. Jane is wearing yellow. Ah, you are all wrong, baby. Okay, can you read it, baby? Right.
a man with a bread is reading a funny book. No, no. The three people are eating chocolate ice cream. No, the black and white football is on the ground. Yes.
No, baby.
Oh, there is a small blue and white chair next to the green side. Yes, yes.
Yes. Number 5.
The girl in the purple skirt has got a striped black hair. Yes, yes, yes.
No,
No.
baby.
Only one boy is wearing a pair of glasses. Yes.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Let's talk about the clothes you wear. What clothes do you wear right now, baby?
I wear a trouser and t-shirt.
What do you wear inside your house?
I wear trouser.
What color is it?
A black.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, we're not going to have an assignment today.
Thank you and
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
So, baby, let's practice more, okay?
yes. What?
See you again tomorrow. As on Wednesday, okay?
Yes. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
What are you doing, baby?
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.
You go in. You can go in. You go in.